Hello Greg and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya. I was referred to you by Omar, and in this video I want to share with you some insights on how to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company even more. So I will be covering the website, the front page, something that we call the Google Business Profile and backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have the get a free quote, you have the click to call button over here, the process, how is it like working with you guys and the reasons why people should choose you. And then you have the footer with links to your social media accounts and the email address. So overall, it is easy to navigate website. Few things that you could consider is having that click to call button at the top and then having a contact us form over here. So it's very easy for people to reach out to you. And then think about the content that you have on your front page. Perhaps you could have a brief description of the services that you provide on the front page, and then the links to each of the different back pages from here. If I have a look at the content, right now your front page has 217 words. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. So Einstein Moving Co. These guys have 1,467 words, and All My Sons, these guys have 1,599 words. And the content is important because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically the way people search in Google. And with those buyer intent keywords, once you identify them, then you can sprinkle them all over your website and your front page so that Google can find you for those keywords, and then it can start ranking you. Let's have a look at the Google search. I came in here and I type in Movers Dallas. The first section that you see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The second section is the Google Business Profile, and in here, to rank here, you need three things. You need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top three positions. Then you have the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in here, I can analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that there are 58 external websites directing traffic towards Keen Moving Company, your website, through 182 links. If I have a look at these guys, Einstein, they have 59 external websites directing traffic through 390, and All My Sons, and this is just a landing page for Dallas, they have 75 external websites directing traffic through 702 backlinks. So it's important to have a look at that backlink profile just to make sure that you are not only getting more backlinks, but you're getting backlinks that are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, because Google has algorithms to verify this, and it will give you extra credits if they are sitting on relevant websites. This is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones for its users. So that's why you actually want to target those backlinks in that way. Now, in terms of the organic keywords, you are being found for 189 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position you are appearing for those particular keywords in the Google organic search. So you can see here that you are ranking on the top positions. So First of all, anything beyond the 10th, 11th position means that you're already on the second page of Google for that particular keyword. But you can see here that you are ranking at the top for quite a number of keywords. And then when we have a look at these, well, most of them are related to your brand, which makes total sense to actually rank at the top. So this one, for example, you are ranking first, which is best moving companies in DFW. But then most of the keywords are related to your brand. If I have a look at Einstein, these guys are being found. And let me just go back because this view, so you're getting an estimate organic traffic of 550 visits. Einstein, on the other hand, they're getting a estimated traffic of 3,900 visits, and this is just an estimate. But let me go back to keywords. This company is being found for 446 organic keywords, and in here we can see that, for example, they are ranking in the top positions for buyer intent keywords. So movers Dallas, moving companies Dallas, Dallas movers, Dallas moving companies, and for example, for these three keywords, we're talking about 3,000, 4,500 searches per month. And because they are ranking in the top positions, they were able to get around 1,350 visits. Just because they are ranking on the top, they are ranking on the first position for those three particular keywords, but they are ranking on the first position and second position for many other buyer intent keywords. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to include in the content of your website, because then Google is going to find you for those. And then if you build that backlink profile, then you're going to maximize the number of opportunities that you are in front of potential customers, and you will be able to capture a portion of that traffic. And that means that a percentage of those potential customers are going to reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use the information to improve your website and your traffic, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.